Hi guys, my name's Allie. Welcome back to day 3 of making easy homemade products. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade chapstick with only 3 ingredients. For this you'll be needing beeswax, essential oil, and coconut oil. Now before we get started, I need to put this disclaimer out there that if you're a kid like me, parent supervision is needed. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to melt our beeswax. What you want to do is take a tablespoon of the beeswax and pour it into your microwavable bowl. Now this could take about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on how long the wax takes to melt. Now this is the part where you may need parent supervision. I'm going to use oven mitts to get the wax out, because this can be very hot. As you can see, mine is not completely melted, but once we add the coconut oil and stick it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, it will melt completely. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of the coconut oil. And place it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Now that the beeswax and coconut oil have melted completely, we're going to go ahead and take them out of the microwave. Now I'm going to add in some sweet orange essential oil, but you can add in any scent of your own. You want to add in 5 drops. Now you want to mix it. And that's it. Now all we have to do is put them in our chapstick containers. I'm using these recyclable paperboard containers, and now what we have to do is take a syringe and squirt in the mixture. This part can be very messy. After letting your product sit for about 2 minutes, your chapstick should end up looking like this. And again, perfect for friends and family giveaways. Anyway guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching my easy homemade tutorial. Bye!